Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your home screen in the POCO F5. So in the first step, if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on your home screen, and now we are in the settings. We can choose the wallpaper in this place. We can also go to the widgets and just select the new widget for your home screen. Just hold the finger on it and choose the place on the screen for it. You can also swipe the pages and just drop it. Now if you want to remove it, hold the finger on it and choose remove. Simple. Okay, now we can go to the settings, and there we have a transition effect. This is the effect when you're swiping the pages. So how you can see there, we have a preview. Just tap on any and click done. You can also change your home screen layout to choose the amount of application in the rows and in the columns. And we can go to the more to choose the -1 screen. This is the screen on the maximum left side on your home screen. We can choose the upvote here, Google Discover, or just switch it off. And we can also change the icon size and change the background color of your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.